Temporada di vakantie sta acabando e da momento padrenta di rutina back.
It's just as important as exercise and nutrition when it comes to children's ability to learn and grow and thrive.
Pero si rutina di sonho abro a full durante vakantie, ponta você. Pero bo por começar a ajustar a rutina, promego scol começar back.
Moving the bedtime up 15 minutes every night for 1 to 2 weeks until they're going to bed at the time that they'll be going to bed during the school year is one way to get them back on a normal sleep schedule.
É importante para stop de usar o aparato eletrónico e celular por lo menos 1 hora por mês como vai dormir. Essa que te ajuda o cerebro dentro de sleep mode.
So if they normally get up at 6:30 during the school week, get them up by about 7:30 on the weekend if possible, just to make it a little bit easier come Sunday night when it's time for them to go to bed.
Mit Fabiola Angela Hernandez, para ter notícia.